I am walking along the river. The birds are singing in the trees. The birds are singing in the trees. I am looking at the water. I am looking at the water. The wind is blowing softly. The wind is blowing softly. The ducks are swimming near me. The ducks are swimming near me. The children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. The dog is running along the path. The dog is running along the path. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. The fish are jumping in the water. The fish are jumping in the water. The people are sitting on the benches. The people are sitting on the benches. The flowers are growing near the path. The flowers are growing near the path. The butterflies are flying around. The butterflies are flying around. The grass is moving gently. The grass is moving gently. The man is fishing by the river. The man is fishing by the river. The birds are flying over the river. The birds are flying over the river. The woman is reading on the bench. The woman is reading on the bench. The bridge is standing over the river. 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 The sunlight is shining through the trees. The sunlight is shining through the trees. The dog is jumping near the water. The dog is jumping near the water. The child is running along the path. The child is running along the path. The river is flowing quietly beside me. The couple is walking beside the river. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye! Bye!